So here we go. We're going to be doing leaf week in a day. We were supposed to do like a full leaf week. Usually that's like 3 days of doing activities with the kids. And then I try to fit in, other things to go along with it that are like projects for myself or just like board games or something that can work in with the season. And but the problem is we were all sick. As you can tell, my voice is a little, so we've had fevers, everybody's been losing their voices. So we had like a sick week, and now I already bought everything for Leaf Week. I still want to do it, but we can't push it off because then we'll like lose some of the other weeks that we have planned. So we're just trying to fit it all in to one day. So let's just get started and see how far we get. I love that most weeks we start out with some time to play with Play-Doh. Usually the Play-Doh's already made. This one smells like clove and cinnamon, and it gives me an opportunity to prep our later activities while all of the kids play. I love that the Wondergarden curriculum we have comes with a songbook, because every week I get to practice sight reading music that the kids are becoming familiar with, and yes, they do sing many of the songs throughout the day. I have to admit that limiting the kids to one kind of Play-Doh makes a huge difference in their ability to be creative. Instead of worrying about all of the colors that they need to make something and being disappointed when they don't have the right color, they simply create, and it cuts down on waste. I don't find like crumbly bits of colors and dried up Play-Doh everywhere, which is a huge relief for me as a busy mom. Our second activity this week was polishing our wood place settings. A lot of the kids' new curriculum requires wooden tools and toys, so they practice polishing their things with beeswax to learn to take care of the things that they own. I love that so many practical skills are woven into their day-to-day activities so that they can feel like it's a learning experience instead of a chore. And we are back to the drawing board, or just their autumn coloring books. Today I encouraged them to find and color a picture that had lots of fall leaves on it. I bought the kids differing levels of art books, and I've just let them pick which one they like the best, and so far that has worked out for my older two kids, but my younger son just gets bored and decides to give up, so I'm thinking I'll have to lead him to the simpler books in the future. While the kids were coloring, I got started on making a dough mix for their baking project, which was maple leaf cookies. And with all of the practice that they had using the cookie cutters on the Play-Doh, they were finally going to get to use them in the process of actual baking. I don't make a lot of shortbread cookies, or like any cookies for that matter. I've said before, baking is like not my strong suit. Cooking is not my strong suit. I don't love doing it. And I mostly just don't love cleaning up the messes that it makes. So it's good that this is kind of baked into the curriculum because it's forcing me to just do it and participate with the kids and actually try some new things. What do you think? Oh, are you sharing? While collecting all of the autumn supplies for the kids' class time, I've accumulated a massive mess of stuff. We're putting it all to good use, but I don't have a proper place for it in our dining room so that I can access everything easily, and it can also look put together and intentional. So my husband helped me build a shelf to put everything on. I'm worried and already experiencing the baby borrowing things from the shelf and then leaving them all around the house. So I may need to do some rearranging and reorganizing until she becomes a little bit more disinterested. The last leaf project the kids worked on this week was a leaf garland. They used a piece of twine, and since we live in Arizona where the leaves don't properly fall until Christmas, I ordered some dried fall-colored flowers and leaves online for them to clip with mini clothespins onto the twine. And these were pretty fragile, which made it harder for the kids, but it turned out really dainty and delicate, and as you'll see, we end up using it to decorate our grand feast at the end of autumn. Thanks for joining us for Leaf Week. Next week we'll celebrate the autumn rain, and by some miracle we were blessed to experience the rain for the whole week. See you next week.